When you buy a property subject to, you as the payer of the interest on the loan get the tax deduction from that interest payment. It doesn't matter that the tax form that's going to come at the end of the year is going to be in the name of the borrower. And that is going to be the case. The bank's not going to change the name on that tax form that they send at the end of the year. But you can still deduct that on your taxes, and it's fine. You just draw a line through that name, write in the name of the company, because the payer is the one that gets the deduction. So don't worry about that. Just take the tax form when it comes, take it to your tax preparer, and you're going to write off the interest on that loan, depending on how you dispose of it. If it's a rental property, or you're keeping it for yourself and you're going to live in it, yes, you get the deduction. If you're selling it with seller finance, that'll be a business expense for you. But either way, you get that deduction.